Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. With the announcement that the Hong Kong-Singapore air travel bubble is set to commence on May 26, 2021, allowing individuals in either city to travel from Hong Kong or Singapore without the need for an inbound quarantine, excitement is starting to build again over the possibility of going overseas once more. The ATB will be initially limited to one flight per day from each city with a maximum of 200 travelers per flight. Individuals wanting to travel from Singapore to Hong Kong or from Hong Kong to Singapore must test negative for COVID-19 at departure and once again upon arrival. In addition to this, Hong Kong residents are only free to join the air travel bubble 14 days after they have received their second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. As part of this announcement, Hong Kong travelers were further notified that they must hold travel insurance with a minimum overall maximum benefit of 30,000 Singaporean dollars, equivalent to 22,600 US dollars, in order to participate in the air travel bubble. The good news is that most Hong Kong and international travel insurance products start with medical coverage at their core. While local Hong Kong policies will normally have a lower level of medical protection than their international travel insurance counterparts, within the local travel insurance market, coverage can be obtained from 250,000 Hong Kong dollars per trip to about 1 million Hong Kong dollars per trip, ensuring that you have more than enough protection to satisfy the requirements of the air travel bubble. As travel insurance is a time-dependent product and is purchased to cover the exact length of the trip that you will be taking, it is up to you to consider how much protection you'll need, especially if you plan on participating in the ATB. There is obviously a large amount of concern and confusion regarding medical coverage under a travel insurance policy and the global COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. For example, would a travel insurance underwriter consider the COVID-19 virus to be a pre-existing condition and therefore exclude it from coverage? Fortunately, this is not the case. Many insurers have committed to continuing cover following the WHO declaration of a global pandemic. However, as the pandemic situation is still very much in flux, it is critical that you first check with your insurer to see if there are any specific cutoff dates which could have an impact on your travel insurance protection. This is a great concern with the proposed Hong Kong-Singapore travel bubble, as a change in the number of cases developing in either city could see the cessation of the travel plan and lead to lower claims for policyholders. As such, it is imperative that you are able to confirm with your insurer or speak to a broker and ensure that your trip has the required level of protection. If you're concerned about any aspect of travel insurance for an upcoming trip, or if you plan to participate in the Hong Kong-Singapore air travel bubble and would like to inquire about obtaining the requisite cover, please contact CCW Global to arrange a no-cost, no obligation consultation with an expert Hong Kong insurance broker today. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask some CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.